Okay, we're going to talk about geometric constraints, and when you open this file, it's going to look like this, and in order to change it, I need to look at the sketch. This is all one sketch here, and I can tell once I click on sketch that I'm in it because these are all green, and this has the green check mark up there. So then I need to read the directions on each one. This first one says make perpendicular. Well, here's my constraints. So I can kind of tell by these little icons which one I need. It says perpendicular, and that looks like perpendicular, but if I leave my mouse there a second, it opens up this thing, and it tells me perpendicular is available for all these different images, and what I need to do is click the two sides that I want. So to make these perpendicular, I click on this one. Now I've turned it on. Notice it on my little cursor, it's got a little perpendicular symbol, and I can just click these and make them perpendicular. Now it still says perpendicular on my little cursor here. To get rid of it, right click, OK. So these, we're going to make them parallel to each other. Look around and find that one. I do want to give you a little hint on starting this one. It says dimension number 3, 2. What does that symbol mean? That's diameter of 2. So I want to take this one and make a diameter of 2. So I'm going to highlight that, click on dimension, highlight this, and then pull out so I can see the dimension. When I click, it lets me click it in, type 2, and dimension that one to 2. Then fix the circles. What that means is lock them down. Fix the circles means lock them down. That's this right here. If I highlight over it, it does say fix. So I need to click that, and then click this, and then click here. This will lock the center of that one, and I want to lock the size of that one. And I want to do the same thing for number 2 because it says fix circles 1 and 2. Now I've got those locked. I want to right click OK, and now I can come back and make them tangent. Tangent means two things that are only touching in one spot. So that's this one right here. Click this one and make it tangent to that one. Click this one and make it tangent to that one. Notice it gives me the little icons here. Right click, OK. The other thing I want you to do before you're done with this whole thing is right click and say show all constraints. It's going to pop all these little constraints up on everything so we can see them when you're done. So you're going to finish doing this entire worksheet. When you get done, there is an example of what it should look like on the handout that's posted for you. When you get it done, you're going to print and turn this in. Be sure at the end to add your name here. You'll finish sketch and then add your text to add your name down here so your name's on this when you turn it in. That's it.